so that way I can pull them out one by one and spray one by one. Welcome back, guys. Shout out to the natural hair today. You see that? A little lip gloss. No eyelashes today, no mascara. I'm baldy locks today. But anywho, this video is not a hair and makeup video at all. This is a stay safe while online shopping during this pandemic video. Because myself, I was an avid online shopper before this whole pandemic thing jumped off. Like, that's literally all I did was online shop. Like, I hated going out to go shopping because, number one, I don't try on my clothes. Number two, I don't have enough time. Like, I work very, very, very hard. I get up 6 a.m. I get to work by 8:30. I'm like a program director, program manager. So then I don't get off till 5. I don't get home until 6:30. Then by that time I have to eat, pack my lunch for the next day, and that's it. I have no time to do anything else. So I online shop. I buy my clothes detergent online. I have purchased groceries online. There's a lot of things that I've purchased online. Oh, and let me not forget my hair and makeup online. So everything that I order online, I just always think, oh my God, who touched this? You know, did they wash their hands? Are they practicing, you know, safe hand washing techniques and things like that? Because, you know, before I went back to school for my master's, I've worked a number of different jobs in retail. So I see how germy, how dusty, that's no shade, how dusty the back is. You know, when they say, oh, do you have this in a size 10? Oh, let me go check the bag for you. Yeah, the back where they keep all of the boxes, where everything comes in off the trucks. And it's just very, 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 very dusty. A lot of allergens back there. And that's where a lot of germs accumulate. Yeah, so, you know, based on my experience from that one thing that I always do, another quick tip, is I always wash my clothes before I wear them. I wash my clothes before I wear them. That goes for underwear. That goes for shirts, jeans, tights, everything. Because I've seen where the clothes are stored while they're in the bag and how much dust and allergens they accumulate. And because I have asthma, I've had asthma since I was a kid. Because I have asthma and because I have GERD, my system gets inflamed from everything, like from air freshener. I have a cat. I'm allergic to cats. I'm allergic to dust. I'm allergic to ragweed. I'm allergic to shellfish. So I pretty much have it bad. And to all my friends out there who suffer from major allergies, I feel your pain and you feel mine. I know you do. I know you do. So, you know, without further ado, we're going to get to this video. You are going to need the following items. And we are going to get started. These are the items that you're going to need. You are going to need your gloves. You are also going to need some type of spray disinfectant. This is not spick and span. This is actually water and bleach. You are also going to need a pair of scissors so that you can cut open your boxes. Put your gloves on first and cut open your boxes. Do not handle your boxes with bare hands. So the first thing that you have to do is put gloves on. Gloves on to keep the germs, dust mites, everything, all of that off. So the next thing you do is you grab yourself some kind of spray disinfectant, okay? So you spray the sides of the boxes. You can also spray the outside if you want. I normally do that. I did that part and then I let it sit for 2 days just to kind of get rid of some, well, not kind of. My goal is to get rid of the germs, bacteria, viruses. So I spray the top of all of my items so that way I can pull them out one by one and spray one by one. Okay, make sure you get all sides. Make sure you flip everything over. Okay. Do this one by one. for all of the items. Flip them over. Spray. Okay. Flip it over. Spray. So forth and so on until you are finished with all of the items in your boxes. One other thing that I forgot to mention was a mask. Now, I wear the mask because, again, I am asthmatic and I have a lot of allergies. But the other reason why you can wear a mask is because, you know, you don't want any of the germs or bacteria or dust mites or anything floating up into the air as you're spraying, because that impact from the spray onto the packages and the boxes will cause, you know, a few allergens to like float around in the air. Now, it could be allergens just, you know, the dust and everything, or it could be the C word, which is what we're trying to minimize here. And I mean, not even minimize, just, you know, just not have that in the air, not have that be contracted altogether. So I'm in here struggling because I just sprayed that bleach water, but right here. Okay, whew. I twisted up my ponytail. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope that these tips help you in some way. Don't forget to pass it along to your loved ones. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because we're going to go back to the hair and makeup videos soon. Bye.